I think of all of the positive attributes about Sam, especially her sense of humor, one of my favorite things about her is the way she keeps Brian in line, which, if let's be honest, is not an easy task sometimes. So Sam, Brian, congratulations on what I would say is just been a perfect day. You guys are great, two great people. And two great people coming together on a special day with two wonderful families. There's only more good things ahead. Congratulations.
First, I would like to say how honored I am to be standing here, not only as the maid of honor, but more importantly as a friend to Samantha and BJ. As most of you know, Samantha and I have been blessed with a lifelong friendship that began many years ago. She is more of a sister to me than a friend, and there are not enough words to express how much I love her and how happy I am that she has found the love of her life. Samantha, everyone can see the true love you and BJ have for each other, the love everyone dreams of having. I love you both, and I am so beyond grateful to not only call you my friends, but my family. My children and I love you to pieces. I wish you both a long lifetime of love and happiness. So let's all raise our glass to the new Mrs. and Mr. BJ Roach.